Think you need expensive email tools to start building a list? You don't. You can collect emails completely for free. An easy way to do this is with Google Forms, linking the responses straight to Google Sheets. And it is simpler than it sounds. A lot of beginners assume you need a fancy email platform to get started, but that's not the case. With Google Forms and Sheets, you can set up a free system to collect and organize subscriber emails in minutes. Start by creating a form titled Get Your Free Guide and add a field for email addresses. Every response automatically goes into a Google Sheet so you can track signups in real time. Then, share the form link anywhere, your blog, Pinterest, or niche groups, and watch your list start growing. It's simple, fast, and requires zero complicated setup. If you want to take it a step further, the AI Faceless List Builder can turn setups like this into full faceless funnels, complete with pre-written email sequences and AI-powered templates that actually convert. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you ready-made templates, funnels, and email prompts so you can grow your list quickly, all without spending a dime on email platforms. Check the link in the description to get started today.